What do you got? You gonna dunk your cookie in milk? Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Now, you gotta bite.
Little bit. How about just the whole thing?
It's easier for me to just put it in my mouth and eat it. What? You don't want us to watch? I don't know what that means, baby. You're a monkey. You know what you're doing. You gotta bite the cookie.
Is that good?
Mmm.
Leave me alone.